So now let's see how we can utilize render filters inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So if I were to go around over here onto the filter menu, then you can see render is an option and you can render out different things over here like clouds, as you can see, and you can apply clouds. Usually to apply these kind of filters, let me just press Ctrl Z. You can go around and create out a new layer. So I'm going to go around over here, add in a new layer, and then I'm going to go to filter and I'm going to go around over here onto render and add in cloud right here. Once I do that, I can change around the opacity right here and you can see that the cloud is showing above this, and you can go around and multiply this out over here, or let's say I'm going to screen it so that you can see the cloud above the main picture as well. You can also go around over here onto filter, go to render and add in a difference cloud over here just like this. This is how it actually looks. So let me just go around, change around the opacity to full, and this is a difference cloud. You can go around over here onto render and render out fibers over here as well, and use the option right here to change around the strength, the variance right here, press OK, and this is what you have. And similar to this, you can go around and then apply it on top of it. You can go around over here onto filter, onto render, and you can also add in lens flare, as you can see. So for lens flare, let me just go around and then delete off this layer because I don't need it anymore. And now I'm going to go to filter, onto render, and go to lens flare, and you can see that you can actually add in lens flare over here. You can change around the brightness and you can change around the lens by which it is created. So you can go for something like movie prime right here, select it, press OK, and you can see lens flare is added in over there. And that is how you can go around and render filters inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.